like that, and besides, would still be alright. We were lovers like that, and besides, would still be alright. We were lovers like that, and besides, it would still be alright. Més animadeta per acabar. Oh, when you come over to the window, my little darling, I'd like to try to read your palm. I used to think I was some kind of gypsy boy before I let you take me home. Now so long, Marianne, it's time that we begin to laugh and cry and cry and laugh about it all again. I love to live with you, but you make me forget so very much. I forget to pray for the angels, and then the angels forget to pray for us. Now so long, Marianne, it's time that we begin to laugh and cry and try and laugh about it all again. We met when we were almost young, deep in the green lilac park. You held on to me like I was a crucifix as we went kneeling through the dark. Oh, so long, Marianne, it's time that we began to laugh and cry and cry and laugh about it all again. Letters, they all say that you're beside me now. Then why do I feel alone? I'm standing on a ledge and your finest, by the way, is fastening my ankle to a stone. Oh, now so long, Marianne, it's time that we began to laugh and cry and cry and laugh about it all again. Oh, you're really such a very pretty one. I see you're gonna change your name again. And just when I climb up this whole mountainside to watch my eyelids in the rain, now so long, Marianne, it's time that we began to laugh and cry and cry and laugh about it all again. Accosta't alla finestra, petitana, m'agradaria llegir-te la mà. Sempre havia pensat que era un home sense amor. Abans que et deixés tornar a casa teva. Now so long, Marianne. It's time that we began to laugh and cry and cry and laugh about it all again. Gràcies, moltes gràcies, Jaume Escala, Eudald Escala, Cohen, Moltes gràcies. Bona nit.